That ride you just saw was to get us here to the Cascadas outside of this town called La Vega. And I came here with two beautiful Colombian women, my guides. There they are right here. Okay. This is Inez, Mona. In video. These are my two guides, de Colombia, my beautiful women guides. Mira, here we are going to the waterfalls. Okay, I'm gonna walk down towards the, I guess where the waterfall makes a little pool. Look at this walk. This is incredible. Colombia looks just like the movies, tropical rainforests. Again, I'm at Cascadas del Chupal, I think is what it's called, outside of La Vega, which is a little bit northwest of Bogota. Okay, down a little bit closer to the waterfall, La Cascada. Look at this. Incredible, there's the water. This obviously is not where we get in the water, right? Look at that. So we are in rainforest of Colombia. Quite beautiful. Here we are. There's the video. Okay, like I said, here's my beautiful guy. That's Inez. And this is Mona. Okay, and there's the path we just came down, right up there, the path, El Camino. Here's steps right down to the water, but we can't get in the water, obviously, as you might have heard her just say in Spanish, muy fuerte the water. So, no getting in the water. Let me come back over here. Let's look at how beautiful this is. Water coming from that side. Love waterfalls. See, there's a pathway. Hay un camino por allá, pero yo no voy. Sí. Sí. Here we are crossing the bridge over the river. Okay. They're getting a selfie. Let me get down here. Okay, I'm gonna cross. I'm gonna put my phone up. You can't go swimming, obviously, in any of the pools, because last night there was like horrendous rainstorm all night long. Look. Wow. I'm gonna get in the water because there's a ride down there. I'm gonna go run down there to the rocks though. So. Soaked by the water in the splash. Okay, totally getting wet. My clothes are soaked. The splash. Two girls, guys also, are all totally soaked. Oh, look at that. Estás en video. We are totally caught in a downpour of rain. I guess that's why they call it a rainforest, huh? Okay, we're gonna cross the bridge back. Okay. Here we go. And back across the bridge. I'm gonna put the phone up. It's really slippery out. My hands are wet also. Alright, I hope you enjoyed our trip to the Cascadas del Chupal on our way back to Ciudad of